Hello and welcome. Today, let's hand another file within the house. So here we can hand sign in. Let me say another file. We can call it a sign in. We have already had this sign up of the screen, but you can also add the same way like we had the sign in. So you can say sign in, sign in dot tsx send.txx. So sign in, click enter, and I have sign up here. I can just copy this method for sign up. I can come here, Control C, and paste it or right here, and after pasting it right here, like that. Now, then you can just change this. Control. I just can let me change this one. Oh, okay. We can just control press Alt and come here. You can see you can change both of them at the same time. So in Windows you put Alt and you click, and you can just come here and say sign in like that. Then you can come and say sign in. I can also add it as a capital like that.